This is not a real bird. It's actually a bionic bird designed to flap its wings to mimic both the movement and appearance of a real bird. So kind of like a drone, but just apparently with one distinct benefit. I'm curious if it will go all the way to the sky like the real birds. Oh my God, you're trying to kill me! So this is the app used to control it. The further you push forward, the faster the wings flap. And then you rotate the phone left to turn it left, and you rotate the phone right to turn the bird right. That's so surreal. I can't believe I'm controlling this. You want to come down, buddy? I'm curious though, how precisely can you control a bird? Okay, so not the best. So why would anyone ever pick one of these over a drone? Well, because apparently the fact that there's wings instead of propellers, it makes less noise. But does it?